Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. This is our daily DILR set, as you all know. You must have known up to now if you are following this series regularly. If you are not, if you are viewing it for the first time, and if you want to be the part of it, do what is mentioned over here. Just text me your name and email ID and you will be the part of free course. Okay. Now, before we move to the set, like always, this is the description of the courses that we have. Some of the most affordable courses you can find. And since this is a daily series, we have covered, it's been almost a month and we have covered a lot of sets. The playlist is available in the description. If you want to try them, you can try them all in a single stretch. And if you are preparing for CAT, these are the sets you must do. Okay. Now, this is our today's set, a very unconventional game and tournament set. So what does this say? In a shooting competition, each player in his turn takes 3 shots at the target. The competition starts with the first player taking 3 shots, followed by the second player taking 3 shots, and so on. After the last player has taken his 3 shots, the turn comes back to the first player who takes the 3 shots again, followed by the second player, and so on. Okay. So 5 players are there: A, B, C, D, and E. So he took 3 shots, 3 shots, 3 shots, 3 shots, 3 shots, again 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and so on. This series will keep on going. Okay. Now, if a player misses, 1 point is deducted from a score. Okay, sorry, I missed this information. If a player hits the target, he is awarded 3 points. So if it is my turn, I hit, I will be given 3 points. While no point is awarded or deducted to from the score of any other player. So if there are 3 players, A, B, C, D, E, if he has scored in his turn, he will get +3, and there will be 0 deficit or 0 benefit for other players. Okay. If he misses, then 1 point is deducted from his score and 1 point is awarded to each of the other competitors. So 1 score will be deducted for him if in case he misses, and 1 will be given to each other player. So there will be net result of this. Okay. The first player to reach at the net score of 100 points or more will be declared as winner of the competition. Once the winner is or are decided, the competition ends. So there is a probability that there are more winners than 1. Exactly 5 players A, B, C, D, E participated with their turns not necessarily in the same order. So there was player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4 and player 5. Not in the same order. We cannot say that who was A, who was B. We cannot say anything up to now. Now at the end, D has won the competition. So congratulations to D. D has won the competition. And he has the same number of misses as that of A. So misses of D is same of that of A. The net score of C was 74 points. So C scored 74. And he registered the same number of hits as B. So hits of C is same as hits of B. The net score of the player whose turn was 3rd, 4th and 5th were in descending order. So player 3, player 4, player 5, their scores were in descending order. We will use it when needed. And the net score, and there was a total of 86 hits and 54 misses. So 86 hit and 54, which means the total number of shots taken were 140 shots taken. Okay, let's try to sort this information. Let's try. So this is what I am going to use, that there are 5 players in any order. I don't know who are they. It is possible that it could be A, B, C, D, E or anything. So they must have missed something. They must have hit something. They must have some total hits and there were points. And I know that there are 86 hits in total and there are 54 misses in total. Okay, this I know. And there are a total of 140. Okay, this I know. What else do I know? I know that if a player is hitting, he is getting +3. If a player is missing, he is getting -1. All other are getting +1. So total number of shots are 140. So let's try to use this point first. I know that there are 5 players: player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4 and player 5. In the first round, all of them have taken 3 hits each, which means in the completion of 1 round, there are 15 hits. There are 15 hits. And if there are 15 hits and there are 140 hits in total, so can I say 15 into 9? There must be 9 complete rounds. Yani ki all of them must have taken 9 rounds and resulting in 105 hits. And there are additional 5 hits. Additional 5 hits means one player took 3, one player took 2, and the game ended. Now, game ended at +3/+2, which means that player 1 took +3 hits, this player took +2 hits, and the game ended. Which means the second player was player D, who ended the game. And how many shots all of them must have taken? Now, it is very easy to know that all of them, first of all, 9 rounds each. So 9 rounds, yani 27 hits, 27 hits, 27 hits, and then this player took 3 extra, 30, and this player took 2 extra from 27, 29. So these are the total of 140 hits consumed, and this player has scored 29 hits. He has scored 100 or more than that. Okay, so player D is a winner, and he has taken 29 shots. Let's assume that he has missed X shots. So if he has missed X shots, so what must be his net score? 29 minus X. So it is a missed score 29 minus X into 3. Yani 29 minus X is his hits. He has missed X. Okay. Now X will be deducted from this because he has missed X. Now, if there are a total of 54 misses and this player D alone has missed X, so other missed must be 54 minus X. यानी कि अगर D ने X मिस करी है, total miss 54 है, तो बाकी सबने कितनी मिस करी होंगी? 54 minus X. अब अगर बाकी सबने 54 minus X मिस किए होंगे, तो उसको into 1, यानी इसको इतना additional score मिला होगा. यानी player D must have got 54 minus X additional. Why? Because these are the hits by other people, and for each miss by other person, he must have got 1. So this is his total score. So what is this? 29 into 3, 87 plus 54. 141 minus 5x. This can be equal to 100 or 101 or 102. So why are there three scores? That he is a winner. There is a possibility that he was at 97, he reached 100. There was a possibility he was at 98, he reached 101. There was a possibility that he was at 99 and reached 102. And these are his penultimate scores. Okay, so one must hit, and I know that number of hits have to be integer, number of misses have to be integer. Now 144, 1 minus 5x is equivalent to some number, and x must be an integer. So can I say only 101 will verify? Because if I take 100 here, x will not be integer. If I take 102, x will not be integer. So this is equal to 100. So what is 5x? 5x is equal to 141 minus 141, meaning 40. X must be 8. So D in totality took 29 and he missed 8 and he hit 21. Okay. So this is the story of D. And his score is 101. That I have calculated already. So A, this player must have scored 101. So let me write it up. He must have scored 101. Now this is player D. So let's say this is some other player. Let's say he has missed X now. Now if he has missed X, his score must be 30 minus X into 3 minus X plus 54 minus X. This must be his score. So 90 plus 54, 144 minus 5X. This is his score. And these all players have taken 27 hits. So what is their general score? Let us say they have missed Y. So 27 minus Y into 3 minus Y plus 54 minus Y. A very simple term. And since we are talking about general score, it is their general score. For all of them, it is just a general score. Their score will vary depending upon their Ys, but it is just a general formation. So what is it? 81 plus 54? 135 minus 5y. I know that C has scored 74. C has scored 74. Yani ki either this score is equal to 74 or this score is equal to 74. Because this is a general form. This is again a general form. Keeping this equal to 74 will not give me any integer. So if this will not give me any integer, which means that this cannot be equal to 74. Therefore, this must be equal to 74. And if this is equal to 74, then 5x is equal to 70 and x is equal to 14. Which means this player has taken 30 shots. This is C. This player is C. He has taken 30 shots. He has missed 14 and he must have hit 16. And then his net score is 74. I wrote it. Okay. So this is also sorted. Now I know that the general score for any other player is going to be 135 minus 5. Now I know in the data it is given to me that D alone the competition and D had the same number of misses as A. So misses of D is equal to misses of A, which is equal to 8. Okay, because I know D missed 8. I know now A can be any of these. So A must have taken 27 matches, 27 shots, out of which he missed 8, and he hit 19. So A's general score will be A missed 8 and he hit 19. So A's general score would be 135 minus, sorry, yes, 135 minus 135 minus 5 into 8, that is equal to 135 minus 40, that is equal to 95. So this score is 95. Okay. Now let me write it as A, and then it scores 95. I know that these three have to be in decreasing order. I will change their order if needed. Okay, if let's on the basis of the final score we will change it, but let's just tabulate it as of now. So this misses are 8 and this hits are 19. What else do we know? We know that C hit is equal to B hit. C has hit 16, so B must have also hit 16. And I know B must have taken 27 shots, so B's hit are 17, so B's misses are 11. So what are B's net score? 135 minus 5 into 11, because 135 minus 5Z is their general score, where Z is the number of miss. So 135 minus 55, this must be 80. So let's say this is 80, so this must be 80. And now he has missed 11 and he has hit 16. Okay, and this is B. These are also 27. So I know total misses are 54. 14 and 8, 22 and 8, 30 and 11. 14 and 8, 22 and 8, 13 and 11. 41 misses are already done. So this must be 13. So his score must be 135 minus 5 into 13. So 65 and his score must be 70 then. So this player has scored 70. If my calculations are right, this should be. So 13 and this must be 14. So these are automatically in decreasing order and this player must be E. Player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4, player 5. So this more or less has completed my set. So let's see that what are the questions and how many we can answer. So the first question is, what was the number of hits registered by E? So it is, the number of hits is 14. Who had the second least number of misses? So least number of misses are 8. Second least is 11. So it is B. Okay. The player whose turn was fourth is again B. Difference between the score of A and B is 95 minus 80, 50. Net score misses 50. 95. Net score of A is 95. Okay, this completes my set. A very good set. The only struggle to find is the starting point. Once you are on the right track, then you are on the right track. Okay, so this is it for the today's show. And if you want to be the part of this series, please subscribe to our paid course, which will take care of your necessities, everything that you need for CAT. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very good day.